You've just opened your corporation or your sole proprietorship here in Canada and you're wondering what can you write off. The number one write-off is going to be your startup cost. That includes your incorporation costs or registering your business costs. It's going to include any lawyers or any professional accountants that you have paid any fee to get your corporation set up. Those are all going to be business expenses. Therefore, you can write it off. A lot of people get confused. What if I pay that expense through my personal bank accounts, but it's a business expense? That's totally fine. Keep the receipt, keep the bill, so that you can write that off on your business. Now, after you have set up your business, most often you might have a virtual address, as you might not be able to afford an office space to start off, or you may not even need an office to start off. But if you use any portion of your home or your property at the moment to do business, you're able to write off a portion of that property as a business expense, like rent, utilities, and even your mortgage interest, as a proportion of those expenses in order to declare it as a business expense if you used it for business. A very important write-off for those of you who are always on the go. Maybe you're using your personal vehicle to do business activities, or possibly you are a contractor who have to keep going into sites and visiting clients directly. That is where you want to make sure you track all your trips through a mileage tracking app. There's various options on your mobile device where it's going to track your point A to point B, so that at the end of the day you can determine what trips were personal and what trips were business, so that once you get to your tax professional at the end of the year, you're going to take that entire report, determine a certain percentage of your entire mileage for the year, and that percentage is what you can write off as a business expense for your fuel, your vehicle maintenance, any repairs, or really any other vehicle that you had to purchase in the process. Those all becomes a business expense as long as you track your mileage on a daily, weekly, monthly basis.